You can see this challenge account sitting at 154,933. In these last 2 months, December and January have been better than my other months because I've been more consistent. Just notice how I started being more consistent around December 11th. I place 1 to 2 trades in a day and that's it. Most of the time I don't even place 2 trades. Right now the group is only $20 a month. I haven't been risking like 2-3%. I've really been risking 0.5% to 1%. Good morning, everyone. It's currently 8:54 in the morning. I had a late start to the day today, so ended up just getting up, brushing my teeth, taking a shower. Normally, I've been trying to run a mile every single morning, but since I woke up late, I'm gonna end up doing that a little later after I trade and stuff, just to get my exercise in. And then I got like a little freestanding pull-up bar, like you could do dips and stuff on that. So I'm gonna be doing that workout later as well. I've been just trying to work out a little more. I don't need to get ripped or anything, but I'm just trying to be a little more active and stuff so I can stay healthy. It's definitely cold as hell here too. It's 38 degrees right now. Yesterday it was like 20 something, I think, feels like 18, or it was something like that, something crazy for Florida. It is snowing in North Florida right now, which is crazy. I'm from Florida. I like the heat and stuff, so when it gets 38 degrees, that is absolutely freezing for me. But we're not gonna let the cold stop us. Once we're done with this, I'm gonna go run, do a workout outside, and then we're just gonna continue the day. I ended up catching a 1 to 3 on NASDAQ yesterday that gave me $4,300 on a challenge account, which I've been taking 2 challenge accounts and it really sucks because I was having an issue with one of my accounts, so I only caught that big trade on one of them. That would have passed my account. If not, it would have been super close, just by like $100. So sucks, but we're gonna find plenty of other opportunities in the market, so hopefully today is gonna be another good day. All right, here's the trade I caught yesterday. Look how accurate it was. We literally tapped right into that level, started getting down, tapped into it again, and then we had that nice drop. And you can see this went all the way to a 1 to 3 for me, and honestly went down farther. Probably could have got a 1 to 4 out of it, but I am beyond happy with a 1 to 3. Made me $4,300 on the challenge account. And you can see right here, this top line is a M15 supply. This bottom line was an H1 supply. So we had 2 time frames in confluence with each other, and I went ahead, just took that, and you could see how accurate it was. Really took no drawdown, and we just dipped all the way down, gave a pretty quick 1 to 3 to be honest. So I'm definitely happy about that. You can see I have the account merged. You can see this challenge account sitting at 154,933. So this one's sitting right below the halfway mark and the other one's sitting right above the halfway mark. So hopefully we can catch a crazy good trade today and get close to passing it. You can see today at 8:30 we had red folder news, unemployment claims, which that already came through. Didn't do too much to the market, so we're chilling there. Our next red folder news is going to be at 11 a.m. EST, President Trump speaks, which we're not even going to be in the market by then, so that doesn't matter to us. For now, we're clear, so we're ready to catch a trade. 10 minutes until 9:30. I already have one level marked out on NQ, so if that hits, I'll be taking shorts. But I just wanted to mention that in the Discord, which the Discord's not very active right now, that's because I haven't been live trading in it, all that type of stuff. I've been working on the group again. In the Discord, I'm going to be doing maintenance on it today, so I'm going to be taking away a lot of the channels, editing them, making it just a lot better. So in February, when we do launch the live trading again, it could be a lot more organized, cleaner, all that type of stuff. The link to my group to join the waitlist is actually going to be in the description of this video. So go ahead and click that. You'll see my Instagram too. You can follow me on Instagram as well, but make sure you guys join that. Right now, the group is only $20 a month. It is never going to be this price again once we launch. So if you want to lock in at $20 a month, now is the time to join. I am going to leave the weekly report channel up so you can see how we have done week over week, what profits we've made on certain days and stuff. So make sure you guys look at that. It's totally worth the $20. You could just go spend that at McDonald's. Why not take that $20, pay for a monthly membership and invest in yourself? And it's $20 lifetime if you lock in right now. We're wanting to go lower, grab some of that liquidity, but I really need it to bounce up, tap into this level, and I'm looking to sell from right here. You can see this bottom line right here. This is an M5 and M15 level of supply. It's in confluence with each other. And then this one up here is an H1. I'm really hoping we come, tap right into this level, and then we can at least secure a 1-to-1. I'll trim some of it and then move my stop loss to break even. Or I'm willing to take some drawdown all the way into that H1, which that's a good amount of drawdown, but it is sticking to my plan and stuff. We have another level within our stop loss, so I'm perfectly fine with that. So let's just go ahead and see what it does. All right, guys, while I was editing the video, there was a part where I was showing you guys my YouTube analytics and just basically showing you guys the progress I've made just by being consistent, and it did not have any audio whatsoever. I don't know what happened, so I'm just gonna go ahead and refilm that and show you guys the YouTube analytics. All right, you can see in the last 28 days, we've had 7.8K views, 53.9 watch hours, and 21 subscribers. And the channel is currently sitting at 57 subscribers. All right, check this out in November. You can see we had 9 views total, 0.1 watch hours, and no subscribers. We did absolutely nothing that month. You can see we had little spikes here and there, but it's just one view, basically just all one view. All right, check this out. This is December. You can see I started being more consistent around like December 11th. For the month of December, we had 5,000 views, 35.3 watch hours, and 18 subscribers gained. Just notice how I started being more consistent around December 11th, and then it just started popping off for me. And now check this month out. This month's not even over, and we're at 4.7K views, 37.2 watch hours, and 12 subscribers gained. And that's with missing like a week and a half here in January. I wish I never missed that, but we can't change it now. In these last 2 months, December and January have been better than my other months because I've been more consistent. Now, don't get me wrong, January, I haven't been as consistent as I wanted to be, but I'm doing better. My goal for next month is I want a 10,000 view month, and I definitely think we can do that if we just fully stay consistent. But I am proud of myself because I am way more consistent than I have been, and you can clearly see it by those results. And that's why consistency is important though. I was consistent with the charts, showing up every single day, even if I did not want to, and I got better at it. I've been showing up, filming, and posting more videos on YouTube. I'm seeing better results. I'm getting more subscribers, more views, all that type of stuff. So just being consistent is the key to something if you want to get better at it. All right, I just came outside for a little, wanted to just enjoy the weather, but I figured I'd go ahead and answer a few questions for you guys that you guys have asked me. So number one is going to be, how do you deal with blowing accounts? Now in the beginning, I'd be very mad if I blew an account, but the most recent accounts that I've blown, I haven't been that mad because I know I can just pass another one. I know my strategy is solid enough. And when you have confidence in yourself and in your strategy, then you're not even going to be too worried about it. If you're blowing your accounts due to just breaking your rules, like over trading, or you're just not taking high quality setups or anything, if you're just blowing your accounts because you're not following the rules, and that's just stupid, you really got to self-reflect and figure out what you can do different and control your emotions, because I bet most of you guys that are blowing your accounts, it's because your psychology, not even because your trading strategy. So the best thing you can do if you blow your account is take a step back, go through all your trades, your winners, losers, everything, and then see what you can do different and what you can stay doing. Do the stuff that keeps on working, and then whatever's not working, go ahead and change that. That's going to be the only way you can stop blowing accounts. For me, it does not bother me anymore. I don't really blow that many accounts because I normally just trade my funded accounts, and the 2 accounts that I'm trading right now, I'm pretty much close to passing, and I don't think I'll be blowing these. So blowing accounts really doesn't bother me, but like I said before, I would just take a step back, analyze everything I've done, fix what's not working, keep doing what is working. All right, so the second question is, would you start trading any other strategies? And the answer is no. My strategy works, and that's all that matters. I've gotten multiple payouts. I've passed plenty of prop firm challenges. So why would I change something that's not broke? That's an issue that I see a lot of people have. They go ahead and they hop from strategy to strategy, when in reality, the strategy they were using before was working, but they're just trying to find something better. And the grass isn't always greener on the other side. I know a lot of you guys have heard that, but that's so true, because if you find something that's working, like a strategy, stick with it. Supply and demand is the best strategy I've had. I've traded other strategies, but they have not been as good as supply and demand. And I've taken plenty of losses with supply and demand, but I'm not going to go ahead and just hop on over to another strategy because I'm not seeing a 100% win rate like some of you guys expect. All right, the third question is, what do you think the hardest thing is to becoming a profitable trader? And I really think that's just mastering the psychology of it. A lot of traders find the good strategy, but they don't get their psychology in check. Your psychology needs to be strong enough to where you can see the dollar amount go up, down. You can leave your stop loss where it's at, so you're not letting your losers just run. And then by the time you know it, you lost way more than you wanted to. And you need to be good at letting your runners run, or having multiple take profits like I do. That's what helped me. So you really need to have that psychology aspect mastered, because you can have a really good strategy, but if you don't have the psychology part mastered, you're not going to be doing that good. You're just going to be blowing accounts or losing money. So things you can work on when mastering your psychology: letting your winners run, cutting your losers quick or right at your stop loss. Don't be moving your stop loss, and do not be moving your take profits to these crazy levels. Either set multiple take profit levels or have one reasonable take profit level. Work on not over trading. There's no reason you need to be placing 10, 20 trades in a day. I place 1 to 2 trades in a day, and that's it. Most of the time I don't even place 2 trades. The max you'll really ever see me place is 1, but sometimes I do, in a rare occasion, place that second trade. All right, the garbage truck's nearby, so hopefully it's not going to pick up that noise too much. But the fourth and final question is, why do I use limit orders? The reason why I use limit orders for my entries and stuff is because I can get in right where I want to. I can spot a level an hour, 2, 3 hours before it even happens. So if I have a level that I'm interested in, I'm gonna go ahead and place my limit order. So right when it hits that level, it automatically gets in for me, and I have my stop loss and take profit already set. So it just makes trading way more simple, and honestly, it's more accurate for my strategy. So when I get on the computer in the mornings, I'm looking for valid levels of supply and demand. So I'm gonna go ahead, spot these levels, and then if I'm interested in it, I'm gonna have my limit order set with my stop loss and take profit. So right when we get down there, like I said, it just instantly gets me in. So it's saving me some time and it's more accurate. If I were to get in on a market order right there, I might not get in at that exact level I want. If the trade's moving really quick or it's super volatile, I might get in a little above or below that level, whatever I'm looking to enter. So it might not be as accurate if I just do market order. So that's why I go ahead and in the mornings, I find the levels I'm interested in. I put my limit order. Then if it hits it, I'm in. And if not, then I'm just not taking the trade. Today was a profitable day. We ended up making $1,230 before fees. Now the challenge account is sitting up almost $6,000, so around $156,000. So we should have it passed probably next week since we only have one more trading day this week. So far this challenge has been going really well. I've only taken one loss, and I'm just excited, and hopefully I'll be able to add this one to the fleet. It's still too soon, but I'm already so far up that with good, proper risk management, there's probably no way that I'll be blowing this account unless I YOLO to trade or something, but there's literally no point. So why would I do that when I'm so close to passing it? That's what a lot of people don't realize. They just YOLO their trades, which with this account, I've been taking my time. I've been trading a lot more efficiently. I haven't been risking like 2-3%. I've really been risking 0.5% to 1%. So this one's been a lot more slow paced. I'm just trying to work my way up to where I can have the 5 funded accounts that Top Step has. I'm slowly working my way there. If I pass this one, that'll be my 3rd funded account. So we're just going to keep it rolling. I'm just going to let the trades talk for itself, and hopefully in one of the videos next week, I will be posting that I passed this account. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I need to go work out. I need to make some dinner, and then I'm going to be editing this video tonight. But just a quick recap, we went ahead, caught a W trade today. We're going to have a W workout. Went ahead and worked on the group a little bit, and then I'm going to be editing it. So today was a really productive day, and I feel great at the end of the night when I have these productive days. But I'm going to quit yapping. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.